Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be opening 4 booster packs.
We got it in a Japanese store, so they're Japanese Pokemon cards.
Not exactly, but
yes they are.
Of course they are. Okay, I'll go first. Okay, I'm going with Volcanoid because he's my bae.
I gotta get this all up.
Okay.
So no. You can't look.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, code.
1, 2,
Who cares
3.
about the code?
Okay.
Put it up.
Okay. Got Halucha. Okay, yeah, thank you. Halucha. Lampin. Pokepuff. Mankey. Mantine. Sneasel.
Hoppit.
Fletchling.
Reverse. Mershif.
Reap and
oh my god, no. Regulars. I thought I saw like a shiny thing in the back. It's like, no.
Yeah. Volcanoid. Okay. You fell.
I'm gonna do Volcanoid this pack. Just to see.
Volcanoid, don't fail him. It's probably because I like ripped through his face.
What did I say about the Sprite thing?
I'm sorry. There's these really cool candies. They're like soda cans.
Okay.
They're really good. And it's like a Sprite. They're so good.
Okay. Stop with the advertising. There's the code. Okay.
Shout out to these people. Let's go.
1, 2, 3. Okay, there we go. Okay. There one. Oh, dual type.
Oh, nice dual type. We got that already.
Persian.
Wow.
Oshawott. Nidoran. Fungus. Mankey. Clank. Reverse
Joltik. And Yama.
Yama, regular rare Yama.
Wait, no, that's not a Yama. That's a Yanmega. Mega. Okay.
Yanmega.
Okay. This person.
Carnivore.
Mega Carnivore. Mega Reverse Carnivore. I'm believing in you. I believe you got the power.
Oh, wait. We did get something. I'm sorry. Let's put that in the back.
Oh, yeah. We did. We got.
Oh, guys, by the way, up for sale, we're donating this.
What?
We have like 1 million of these. We're going to sell them. Make sure you subscribe.
We're not.
Yeah, we are. I'm donating it.
To one of his friends.
Yes. So I'm going to put that as a counter. I'm going to put this.
Okay.
There.
This time I'm not ripping her face off.
Sorry?
This time I'm not ripping through her face.
No. Just pull the cards out.
Yeah.
Don't look. Jeez, give me the code.
I'm not looking.
Give me the code. Here's the dang code.
2, 3. Done. I'm believing. Okay. First we have Nuzleaf.
Nuzzle, sorry.
Nuzleaf.
Oh,
Stealing Spearmint. I like that. Clang.
Litleo. Oh, no.
What?
Oh my god, no. No, don't. Demo. Oh my god, I see it. Oh my god.
Hoppin.
I see it. Oh my god, you.
Litwick.
Yeah.
Reverse.
Oh my god.
Among Us.
And there you go.
Oh! Mega Steelix EX.
Oh my, no. Steelix.
Oh yeah, it's just a Steelix EX.
Oh, that was supposed to be the other one too.
Oh my god.
Oh.
Woo!
That's nice.
Steelix EX.
I told you I saw something.
Look at it. So shiny.
It could have been the dual type though.
I know if it was. Don't we already have a dual? No, that was in my
That was Mega
Pokemon
Gardevoir.
TCG. No, I have a Mega Steelix EX dual
Dual
type
type,
in my Pokemon TCG.
well, hopefully he can learn some
Nice.
good
This was
stuff.
a good pack. Good pack. I'm putting that there. Okay. Don't rip through his face. We learned that ripping through faces doesn't work.
No, I didn't.
Did you
I
rip
don't
through
think
his face? No, you ripped through his arm, dude. He's
Oh,
hurting.
that's something good.
He's bleeding out.
I think I want to say something. Code 1, 2, 3. Okay. Ooh. Okay. Okay. Ew. Okay.
Name them.
Shellos. Okay.
Doing
Larvesta. Apom. Drifloon. Reverse.
and
oh!
we already have them.
Ding ding ding. Ding 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 ding. Okay. I think it's a tie. I think it is.
You got 2 of these. I got. Yeah, it is. They're both dumb. These both 2 are doubles. This isn't. I think I won. I think I won.
I chose the Gardevoir and you took it from me. You took it from me.
Now, guys, there in all these videos there's a consequence,
What?
right?
No.
When you lose.
No. There's never been a
And
consequence.
Alessio,
What?
get like a cup of water about this much.
No. Don't you dare pour on me.
No, just
I am pouring on me.
maybe. Okay, and actually, I won't pour it on you. I swear, if I pour it on you, you get to kill me. Like, seriously.
No. Don't worry, I know the challenge. Don't eat that.
Okay, no, I won't. Guys, I'm gonna pour it on them. Just kidding. No, I'm gonna pour it on myself because I like water. And sorry about the lighting and stuff. It's really weird. Hi, see my shadow. So yeah, the lighting's really weird because like the light, our light here isn't good, so it's like bad. It's like evilness right there, and so I have to use this my iPod to use the light. Okay. No.
Yes.
Okay.
I have to drink it.
Okay. So we're gonna put one of these into there,
Okay. And
we have to.
you have to put it on top, though. You have to put the camera to see it. What's inside?
Okay.
You have to put the camera on top.
Oh. Okay.
Put it. What did I tell you about the slide? Can you see?
No, you can't see it.
Okay. What's gonna happen was, what's going on? Nothing? What the heck?
It's sizzling. Is it sizzling? I don't know.
It doesn't even look like it's sizzling. No, you don't.
No, put it over in the cup.
Oh, shoot. Is it in there anymore?
It's dissolving.
Wait a sec. I think I know what to do.
No, I'm like swishing around. No. Dude. You're making this gross. You took it out? No. Okay. I'm kind of swishing around.
Okay.
Should I just drink it?
No, it's mine. Because I have to drink it, right?
Oh, yeah. He's drinking it. He's drinking it. Drink it up. What?
It just tastes like water.
Drink it.
No, okay. Okay, hold this.
Okay.
A second.
Alessia, wait. Alessia, no. He left me. He left me. I want to drink it, but I kind of don't. What the heck? A pineapple in there. Okay, we're adding a pineapple. Oh, God.
Okay.
This has officially become a death cup. Drink it.
Okay, you have to.
Okay. Should it taste like anything?
No. It just tastes like water. Just like water.
What?
It's a bit of pineapple.
Liking it? Do you drink everything? Even the pineapple? It's still in there?
It's stuck.
Okay. So go empty it out and get some water. I'm gonna dump it on myself.
Look at this. It's not even coming out. Look.
Dude, okay.
It's in here.
Okay, dude.
Shine the light in it.
It's
It's not even. It's still in there. Look.
yeah. Okay, dude. Go get some water in it. It's at 12 minutes. I need to stop it at 15 minutes. Go.
No. God. It's stuck.
Okay.
Trying to get it out.
Use your fork. Oh, look at that.
Oh.
This is so sad.
I don't know.
Go get some water and pour it on yourself.
No.
No, okay, I'll pour it on me.
No.
Yeah, just get some water. Just get some water, fast.
Bye,
fast.
guys. This is not a video. Bye.
Fast, please.
No.
Bless you, please. Please, just get like a little tiny bit of
Poop
water.
on you.
Please.
No.
Let's see if he'll get it. Hopefully he does. 'Cause I'm making this into a whatchamacallit, water bucket challenge video. He's getting water. Les, you getting water? Oh, okay. I guess this was a death cup challenge one. So, thank you guys so much for watching. I'm with you guys. Oh, right here. Okay. These 3 rares out of 4 packs. So, if only I hadn't lived through that Steelix. Not Steelix. I mean, if I hadn't ripped through that Volcanoid, I probably would have gotten something. But he was like, "Man, you ripped through my face. I'm not giving you anything." So yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace out. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and goodbye.